Kogi State Governor Ahmed Usman Ododo has flagged off the construction of 12.5 Km Unosi Odonto Ogigiri Rural Road in Ajaokuta Local Government Area. The ceremony took place in Adogo area of the local government. The governor emphasized his administration's commitment to the progress of the state, expressing gratitude to development partners for their support. He also appreciated President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for his unwavering support for the citizens of Kogi State. Let's join our reporter for the details.
Governor Ododo expressed delight at the flag-up of the road project and charged all contractors to adhere strictly to the specifications.
I, Ahmed Usman Ododo, the chief servant of our dear state, hereby flag up this road for the benefit of our people and our farmers. Thank you and God bless you.
He noted that the affected communities had faced years of isolation from markets.
This corridor, which is in the agricultural heartland of Ajaokuta Local Government, holds strategic significance. It links clusters of farming communities that contribute greatly to our state food security. For years, these communities have faced isolation from markets, social services, and economic opportunities, especially during the rainy season. Today marks the beginning of an end to their transportation challenges. This project aligns seamlessly with the core objective of RAMP to improve rural connectivity, enhance agricultural value chain efficiency, promote market access, and reduce poverty and post-harvest losses in rural areas. This flag-off is part of wider intervention strategies as an administration to open up rural roads in line with our campaign promises. Construction and rehabilitation of works are already underway across several ramp-designated corridors in the state.
The governor commended President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for his unwavering support for the people of Kogi State and promised that the state would deliver impressively in the 2027 elections.
We are deeply grateful to our development partners, the World Bank, the French Development Agency, and the Federal Project Monitoring Unit for their consistent technical and financial support. Your partnership is yielding real impact, and Kogi State remains ready to do its own part. The objectives of RAMP align with the renewed hope agenda of our father, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, particularly in revitalizing agriculture, promoting food security, and boosting our national economy. Our president has put in place solid development initiatives that are adding value to rural life. Our coalition is that of development, and 2027 is a done deal for our president. As far as Kogi State is concerned, we are solidly behind him. My dear people of Kogi State, let me assure you once again that we will not relent. We are driven by purpose, guided by principle, and fueled by the trust of our people. The road and market projects are about dignity, access, opportunity, and shared prosperity for economic growth, and the development of the Conference of Opportunity. Let me at this point appreciate our people and all of you for your support right from the first day I picked up from to pilot the affairs of our dear state.
The national coordinator of RAMP, Engineer Aminu Mohammed, appreciated the governor for providing the necessary counterpart funding. He reveals plans to engage youth from the host communities in sustainably maintaining the rural roads. ensured the project's long-term success.
It is also important to mention here that His Excellency has appointed the Director General for Rural Access Road Agency, the Director General for State Roads, which is also part of the requirement. I'm happy to inform and announce here that His Excellency has met that requirement. Within the very shortest possible time in the last 3 months, I can remember vividly how many times I talked to His Excellency, and whenever we discuss, it's about the project, about how we improve the livelihood of people living in rural areas in the state. Your Excellency, like Ahmed mentioned earlier, I want to assure you of our continued support in providing the technical expertise that is required to ensure the successful implementation of the project in the state. Ours is to come and join you with your community on this laudable achievement.
He also assured continued technical support to the Kogi State government.
That after completion of this road, the Federal Project Management of the Rural Access and Agricultural Marketing Project has signed a contract with International Labour Organization that are going to support us in organizing the people living across the road corridors into community maintenance gang. We'll train them, we'll provide all the necessary equipment for them, we'll make sure that they understand these roads are for them, and we pay stipend amount of money for them to provide routine maintenance, while annual mechanized maintenance will continue to be contracted out to ensure that these roads live to the design life.
According to the project coordinator and the Commissioner for Rural Development, Engineer Mohammed Abdulmuttalib, the road construction project will improve livelihood.
This project is a bold step toward unlocking the vast agricultural and economical potential of our rural communities. Driven by His Excellency, visionary leadership, the Unosi Odonto Ogigiri route will serve as a vital link between farm clusters, settlement, and essential services, fostering connectivity, productivity, and shared prosperity, while driving food security and economic growth and building trust in our administration commitment to rural progress.
The chairman of Ajaokuta Local Government Haruna Ogido described the project as not just a road, but a lifeline, noting that it will connect 10 out of the 14 wards in the local government area and improve the people's overall well-being. He also commended the governor's efforts in securing the areas from kidnappers.
The commencement of this road construction is a profound relief and a major milestone for our people. It will significantly boost economic activities, enhance rural agriculture, and facilitate the easy transportation of farm produce to Adogo market. Moreover, it will contribute to the overall infrastructural uplift of our local government area. We are sincerely grateful for your administration attention to the developmental needs of.
The member of House of Representatives representing Ajaokuta Federal Constituency, Abdurrahim Sani Egidi, praised the governor for locating the free trade zone in Ajaokuta, the only such project in the North Central.
It is not only historic, but also very dear to the people of my federal constituency. It is on record that this particular road has suffered neglect, both the then Kwara State and even after the creation of the state. Although it has been included in the state government annual budget for the past 3 decades, construction has remained stagnant, with no concrete step taken toward execution. Your Excellency, this road is treasured by my constituent, and we are elated that your people-centered administration graciously approved its construction. With the special grace of Almighty Allah and your antecedent in office, we are confident that this road will be fully completed and commissioned.
On behalf of the women Sandra Musa and on behalf of the youth leader commended Governor Ahmed Usman Ododo for his administration support to the people of Ajaokuta and Kogi State at large. The governor was accompanied by members of National Assemblies commissioners, and other top government functionaries. Faith Adiki reporting for MSC TV.